the Bitcoin dump is over, or are we gonna see a little pullback before the next target for Bitcoin will be in the next weeks here? We are changing something in the narrative right now, and this could change the way you would look on Bitcoin right now. We have been predicting the market perfectly here with our trades, and right now I'm still opening up a massive trade over on Bitcoin, which is currently 15k in profit here. I will deep dive into every single detail, but first of all, I would really appreciate you guys to follow me over on X, and of course to subscribe over on my YouTube channel and like this daily update video if you love those updates. And let's dive right away into the content for now, because we have been predicting the market from of this point to go down further on towards the downside. The reason, pretty simple. We had such a big move towards the upside, which is fine, but we saw that this move was a little bit fake, was driven with leveraged money, with borrowed money, and with that we need to see a little pullback. To be really honest, just look at the market. Long opportunities and risk to reward is towards the upside at these points, but at these points in the market, the risk to reward ratio is further on towards the downside. That was basically the reason why we have been opening up some massive short positions on the top here. But right now we have been dropping approximately 10% towards the downside. And after that, Bitcoin picked up some bullish momentum again. But can we expect a further move towards the upside for Bitcoin, or is this just a little bit of a retest before the next move towards the downside will start? Right now, we are kicking in a really interesting point in the market, a retest from of this point, a retest out of this range back towards this range before the rally towards the upside started. Right now, what we are clearly seeing is we are getting supported by this line. We're not breaking it. Bullish momentum is kicking in the market once again, but work has to be done right over here, because we are getting some really interesting points in the market right over here at the $77.6 thousand and between the 79.2 towards the $81,000 here. Bitcoin needs to break this further on towards the upside to see bullish momentum getting the overhand here. If we are rejecting, which we are currently doing, these points in the market here, we will probably go even down further on towards the downside. With that, I want to be opening up a new short position if we reject from of these points here. I really want to see clear validations for this trade, because I think we can pick up some momentum. We didn't lose anything right over here, and with the trend right now we could do something like this, and that means that we are creating a higher high anytime soon here. But I still think that Bitcoin can manage to go towards that $71,000 mark to see a perfect retest getting happened, because right now what we actually can see is that Bitcoin has been dumping perfectly towards that 0.5 level mark, but the 0.618 is still open with this level below here, and I think it would be perfect to short towards that $71.7 thousand mark and add that long Bitcoin further on towards the upside. So right now I'm looking for confluences for a trade further on towards the downside, but I'm waiting for clear validations, and right now I'm not setting any limit orders yet. Also, we have been still breaking down from of this compression level, and we are seeing still downwards momentum getting created in the market. Also here we hit the first target, and that is where I took profit from of those massive trades here. With this we could see a little pullback and then a further move towards the downside. So nothing is changing here yet. We're still breaking down, and I'm still expecting bullish bearish momentum towards those levels right over here until Bitcoin can get strength against those very important resistance levels. So for now, don't get trapped by this little push towards the upside, because this is looking pretty okay, but we didn't do anything if we are rejecting this level from of these points here, and we will probably see a further leg towards the downside getting happened. But one thing is pretty nice to see. I've been predicting this liquidity zone perfectly over on Bitcoin. I've been talking about this in my daily update videos. I said we have been creating much liquidity on the lower side here. We will probably take it out, and that is exactly what Bitcoin did. And from that point, Bitcoin started to rally on towards the upside. This was exactly the target I was looking for on my Bitcoin trade, because I've been shorting Bitcoin from the $82.6 thousand here with massive massive orders. Like we can see, I've been taking profit from of this trade. I've been opening this trade up before it even happened. I put this limit order in the terminal before it even happened. As you can see, completely transparent and completely live, I made approximately $22,000 shorting Bitcoin. I've been taking profit from of this trade on approximately $75,500. So I shorted it from $82,600 all the way to $75,000, completely transparent, completely live in my daily update videos and in my trading community. So for now, that was the reason why I've been taking profit. Right now, Bitcoin is standing at $77,100. So I've been taking profit on the exact right moment, and that is trading also. And that is also what I predicted, because every single day I will keep a detail, my plan over on Bitcoin. And I said $75,500. I will take profit on this trade, and the rest I will let it run with the trade I've still open yet. It's just risk management what we are doing right over here, because I've been closing up this trade, but if I close up this trade as well and Bitcoin started to dump further on towards the downside, I am getting wrecked with all my profits here yet. So for now, what I've been doing, I've been putting my stop loss on break even on this trade. If Bitcoin pumps towards this certain level, I am getting stopped out on break even, and I took this trade as fully profit with approximately $22,000 here. So I can't even lose money on those shorts anymore. But like I said, I really want to see if Bitcoin can look for some bearish momentum upon this high here, and with that I could open up a new short position over on Bitcoin. But right now I just managed to take $22,000 of a profit here. If we can open up a new trade, we can do it with $22,000 even more, and the trades will be even bigger. But right now we've been working on something really big, because I said if we took full TP on this trade, I will give away money back towards the community, and that is exactly what I am gonna do. So please make sure to join the free Telegram community with the link in the description. It's completely free, and with this you can also get whitelisted for the completely free thing that is joining in the upcoming weeks here. So please make sure, it's really important to join that free Telegram group with the link in the description, because with this you get early access on what is about to drop completely for free in the upcoming weeks, and you are entering the next giveaway with those profits. So please make sure to do so as well. If we look at the time window we have been also talking about in the last few weeks here, we can actually see that the bottom is still not in yet. And to be really honest, I don't want to freak out, because we are just seeing some green candles here. That is why I'm really patient to see if Bitcoin can manage to dump further on towards the downside, because I still think it is possible for Bitcoin to see prices like approximately 71 towards the $60,000 mark. If we can short it all the way towards that level, we are literally printing like 50K in this trade. So that would be massive here if it happens. Also, if we look just at the time cycles, we can actually see that Bitcoin is tend to bottom out in October, and that will probably be at a price of around the $50,000 towards $60,000 mark, and that is exactly what we have been aiming for. Right now it looks kind of like we are in this stage and in this stage, and after that a big Bitcoin dump still managed to hit the market. And if you are short in those moves towards the downside towards October, you are literally printing. So that is still my plan for Bitcoin, but right now I really want to see the right confluences before opening up a trade. And if I open up a trade, you will be the first one to notice if you follow me over on X and if you subscribe over on my YouTube channel, and of course if you join my free Telegram group with the link in the description. And with that being said, I would really appreciate you guys to see you tomorrow by a brand new Crypto Daily Update video.